Okay, here's what I got for this New Year's Eve. All this is from TNT. Most of my friends know how much I got all this for. It's for you guys to guess now. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 500-gram cake. 2 200s. Another 200. Really big fountain. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 packs of canister shells. These 3 were in a single pack together. Makes it easier to separate. I did do a demo on one of these to see how loud it was. Too bad I didn't record it. Yeah, so this is my New Year's Eve firework stash. So, if anybody wants to know what these are called Powerhouse by TNT. These are really good ones. They're mood rings by TNT. Cody B, if you watch this video, I want you to guess how much I spent on all of this. And congratulations on a 700,000 subscribers too. So, yeah. Any guess? Any guesses, anybody? Don't mind the mess back there. I had to clean up anyway.